The Subaru WRX key fob for 2016-2023 models uses a simple battery that needs occasional replacement. This video shows how to easily replace it yourself, saving money and avoiding dealership visits. It's a straightforward DIY task, perfect for beginners. The standard battery for Subaru WRX key fobs from 2016 to 2023 is a CR2032, a 3-volt lithium coin cell. This battery powers essential functions like keyless entry, remote start, and the panic button. Rarely, some models may use a CR2025 battery, which is slightly smaller but also 3 volts. Important: incorrect polarity can short-circuit the fob's circuit board. Always ensure the positive side faces up. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. A keychain remover is optional. No soldering is required, and using a plastic pry tool prevents damage to the fob casing. Locate the small notch on the fob's edge. This is usually a tiny indentation where the two halves of the fob meet. Insert the screwdriver or pry tool into the notch. A plastic pry tool is recommended to avoid scratching the casing. Gently pry the fob open, being careful not to bend or break the casing. Apply even pressure and work around the edges. The fob is now open, revealing the internal components like the circuit board and battery. First, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery from the key fob compartment. Take note of the correct orientation. The positive side should face up when inserted. Now insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up for proper polarity. Visually confirm the battery is securely in place within the compartment. Remember, incorrect orientation can prevent the key fob from functioning properly. Snap the top and bottom halves of the key fob casing back together firmly. Press firmly around the edges to ensure the casing is securely closed with no gaps. Test all functions: lock, unlock, and trunk release within 10 feet of the vehicle to confirm proper operation. If the fob doesn't work, resync by cycling the ignition key or following the Subaru manual instructions. Common mistakes include bending the key fob casing when opening it, which can damage the plastic. Incorrect battery polarity, with the positive side down, can short-circuit the electronics. Always check the orientation. In extreme cold, battery life shortens. Switch to high-drainage CR2032 batteries for cold climates. For waterproofing, apply dielectric grease around the seals, as recommended by experts like Scotty Kilmer. Remember to dispose of the old battery as hazardous waste following local regulations. Looking ahead, newer WRX models feature rechargeable batteries lasting 2 to 3 years, with smartphone app integration for monitoring. Subaru plans recyclable battery options for all WRX variants by 2026.